Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a video to your Shopify store using the Video Player by bPlugins app. This dashboard walks you through a simple three-step setup. First, let's enable the app embed. We'll open the Shopify theme editor, where the app connects to your storefront. Just toggle on Video Player by bPlugins, then hit Save. Back on the dashboard, the status refreshes. The theme app block is now enabled and ready to display your videos. You can also check your plan here and view analytics, like total plays and your top player. Now open My Videos to see your players. Pick a video and copy its embed code. With the code copied, let's head back to the theme editor to place the player right where we want it on the page. Here in the theme editor, scroll to where you'd like the video, then click Add section. From the menu, choose Custom Content, a flexible section where we can paste our own code. Inside that section, add a new block and pick Custom HTML. Paste your embed code into the HTML box, and it saves automatically. And just like that, your video player appears right in the preview. Visit your live store, and there it is, your video playing right on the page. That's all it takes.